So we already booked our summer vacation. So it's you guys' duty to comment down below in today's vlog and tell us where you think we are going for vacation this summer. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Me and my boys in the kitchen this morning. Of course he wanted banana fritters and he said, Mama, why are you making it without me? So he jumped in the kitchen and we're making banana fritters. So we're finishing up making the batter. Tyler, you know what Fav said it's good to add to banana fritters? No. When I'm making it, they say raisin, cinnamon, and nutmeg.
So we're going to it?
You want to add raisin to it? And all of those other things? Okay.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. How are you? What Sarah want raisin? Well, Faves, we're trying it the Faves way today. Let's see how we like it this way in comparison.
What is that?
Wow.
Raisins. What's that?
No, it's not that smell like this.
Oh, is a pot.
Yeah, I would have said more like
You eat it? It's to go in here.
Oh.
I would have said like butter, like peanut butter.
No, it's broccoli that had cooked in the pot. So because it's the first. Oh, Sarah put in hers in it too. This one is eat? No, put some more in it. Wait, I soon give you to eat. Put those in there. Okay, you can eat this. Okay, you can eat those, Sarah. Eat. You want to put them in? Okay, I'm gonna give you some to eat. Eat. Eat those. It's okay, you can eat those. Oh, honey, you hear my explanation to why it smells that way? Babe? Okay, so we're gonna add the raisin. Oh, that's too much.
Ready, quoi?
You hear my explanation why it smells the way it smells?
The broccoli?
Broccoli had cooked in that frying pot and it had burned a little bit. So it's the first time I'm using back the pot since. My cinnamon got away. Hi! Okay, so cinnamon and nutmeg. And I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. Vanilla is always nice. So there we go.
Mix it.
Yeah, but let me give it the first mix and then we'll mix it after. Sarah, you okay? You want to mix?
I was going to see which porridge.
You smell like porridge, right? Not today. Sarah been asking for porridge too. Alright, you can mix now. Alright, we'll see how these banana fritters taste in comparison to the ones we normally make, okay? Alright, okay, get down. This is the part where I put them in the oil. Oh, you guys, Tyler is on vacation from school. I didn't tell you guys that. But Tyler is on vacation for the next 2 weeks. Can't hear your husband.
I said it's the last vacation of the year.
Ah, babe says the last vacation of the year. Yes. Before the big vacation. Right, Ty?
Not the last vacation of the year. The last vacation of school. After this year's school. Because
you are absolutely right, Ty.
You're right.
This year
is the last. Tyler is correcting me and babe. It's not the last vacation of the year.
Academic school.
But it's the last vacation of the school term. And he's not wrong at all. Not wrong. Before summer vacation, which I'm so looking forward to. You guys, we already booked our summer trip. We already booked our summer vacation. Yes, Ty. Hold on, let me finish Dr. Face before you talk to me. So we already booked our summer vacation. So it's you guys' duty to comment down below into this vlog and tell us where you think we are going for vacation this summer. Are you ready? I'm excited to see all these guesses. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I'm going to finish up making breakfast, and we have a lot to do around here. So, look at this. Look what's going on. He said, don't look at him again. You have to put on Sarah. I can't manage.
And the neck.
Yeah, choke out the hell. Sorry, your time cut short because I choking, Papa. Tyler, did you pack up your room? You didn't see Kim? You guys always catch me in the kitchen. Here's Sarah excitement to see Tyler. Sarah, no! Don't do that. Ty want to relax. Tyler been so tired. He's not feeling 100 though. He says stomach, I'm not feeling well. So Tyler been sleeping the entire afternoon. He just wake up and Sarah didn't realize that he came out and is in the couch and she just saw him. Excitement. Nothing to Sarah like Tyler. Anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen. You guys haven't seen me all day because I've been so busy. It's a very busy Sunday here for us. So I've been just getting stuff done around this house, but I'm in the kitchen cooking. Let me show you guys what I'm cooking today. So I haven't made stewed chicken in a long time. So this is stewed chicken which I'm gonna cook, and then I have steamed green beans and broccoli going on here, which that will be going that will go well with whatever I'm making. And then over here I have some yellow rice. I haven't also made this in a long time, so I just add some egg powder to the rice and some coconut milk, and yeah, rice is going good, shorty. So dinner is on its way right now, and of course I'll show you guys the end product. Alright, you guys, so while this pot is bubbling, bubble gala bubble, while this pot is bubbling nicely with my stewed chicken, veggies finish under here, and rice is finished too, looking so good. I have my little sous chef. Hi, sous chef. Say hi, mama.
Mama.
Sarah and I are about to bake some muffins. I haven't made my oats muffins in a long time, so I'm gonna do that right now. So in the muffins, if you guys want to know this recipe is on my food channel, easy to find. Just go over there at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and type in oats muffin and you'll find it. I'm using banana, almond milk, raisin, oats, 1 yogurt, natural yogurt, chocolate chip, baking soda, stevia, baking powder, and egg. Yes. What do you want? You want TV? No TV. Okay? Okay. Mama not feeling well at all.
Like me.
Alright, my little mixer. Mama going to add egg. Come, mix.
Oh, yes, I love egg.
Come, Sarah, mix.
This is the second one.
No, Ty, because I don't want it to come. You have to stand up properly. Knock it. Knock it. One knock. One. Very good. One knock. Hard. One more. Hard. Okay, you see? Voila. Mix, Sarah, mix.
What is that bouncing?
That's okay. Mix, Sarah, mix.
Can I mix? Like that is a bit faster.
Yes, you can mix, but let her mix too. You under hold it. Hold it together. Mix with her, Ty. It's okay. Mix. You both mix. Yes, good. Mix with Ty. Okay. Done more.
I want it to boost. I mix.
Yes, mix.
No better.
Mix fast. Mix, Sarah. Mix.
Can I boost it a bit?
Huh?
I want to boost.
Yeah, you can. Stevia. Okay, stop now and give it back to her. Stevia. Mix, Sarah, mix.
Mix that.
Tyler, hold the pan so it don't fall over, please. 1.
What? 2.
2.
Wow.
Mix. Now we're gonna add raisin and chocolate. Yeah, add raisin? Okay, put raisin.
But first put 4 here for me to eat.
No. Come, Sarah, put them in. Hold your hand. Throw it in. Here is your 4 to eat. You can eat this, Sarah. Throw them. Sarah showed it everything, yes. Okay, Sarah, we're gonna throw in chocolate. And put in chocolate, look, chocolate. Chocolate, look. Put it. Oh! You tricked me this time. She eat the chocolate first, she didn't throw it in.
She knows chocolate.
You know our favorite is chocolate. You want more? You can eat these. You and Tyler can eat those. Okay, give me.
I wanted to mix it first.
Yeah, you can still mix it. There you go. You can put some more chocolate in it. You don't like it?
I don't like that one.
You taste it? It's dark chocolate.
For me, that one is the best.
It's black chocolate, that's why. It's the
I can do
healthiest
that.
type.
Black chocolate is the healthiest.
Yes.
So I like using.
What do you mean when you like me?
Because you don't like black chocolate.
I don't like black chocolate, but I'll eat it when I bake with it. Alright guys, my kids' dinner is ready. You guys can tell whose plate is whose. Dinner is ready for the crew. Hi guys, so I am here actually editing, and I realized I didn't come back and tell you guys how the banana fritters verdict went. So Babe and I agreed that we prefer the banana fritters with just the banana the old way that I used to make it, because what we find is that with all the added raisins and nutmeg and cinnamon, it takes away from the banana taste that we like. But the verdict from Tyler, he absolutely loves it. He said, Mama, I love it this way, and I give it 10 out of 10, and I love it the old way, and I give it 10 out of 10. He said if I make it the old way or the new way, he'll love it just the same. So Tyler was totally in love with it, while the adults have a different take. So that was the verdict on that. And I'm just coming down to end the vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fandom. Catch up and keep up. And tomorrow is a new day, and we'll definitely see you.